Obviously, Cambodia has a unique context, and so I think there will be aspects of Cambodia's context which will come through in how higher education develops. As an Australian, a lot of our biggest universities are also the most highly regarded universities. Cambodia is quite unique in that we've got a lot of very small universities, over 140 of them. And on the whole, we actually have a very small universities or higher education sector. So there's a lot more room for higher education to grow. But for that to really work, I think there's going to be consolidation in the market. And so universities are probably going to merge or come together or look at ways of being able to collaborate more effectively. I think another big driver that's going to happen in the next 5 to 10 years is there's going to be more focus on research. So Cambodian academics in general are relatively, there's relatively little research that comes from the nation at the moment, given the number of academics we have. So I think there will be a bigger drive amongst universities and by industry and even government to really try and increase the number of research outputs and the quality of research outputs. I also think there is going to be a more emphasis on getting a degree, and what that's going to mean is that a lot more students, and when they finish high school, are going to look at opportunities in education, higher education, and so I think there's going to be an increase in demand, but I would hope that the increase in demand is going to be in more specialist areas, and particularly around things like STEM. And if you're looking at business, I would hope that it's more for areas where you're going to be able to be a leader in business. So things like entrepreneurship. There are many people who are getting a business degree, but having a business degree doesn't mean to say that you understand how to run a business. And so I think if you're going to be competitive in a very competitive workplace or in a job market, you're going to need to ask yourself what makes me unique. And so I think when you're looking at opportunities, you need to take those into account.
LSi Business School ជាគ្រឹះស្ថានឧត្តមសិក្សាដំបូងគេក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាដែលបង្រៀននិស្សិតថ្នាក់បរិញ្ញាបត្រផ្ដោតលើជំនាញគ្រប់គ្រងសហគ្រាសខ្នាតតូចនិងមធ្យម SME Management យើងផ្ដល់ជូននិស្សិតនូវសមត្ថភាពភាសាអង់គ្លេសជំនាញធ្វើអាជីវកម្មស្តង់ដារនិងបណ្ដុះចរិតលក្ខណៈល្អដល់និស្សិតគ្រប់រូបសូមអញ្ជើញអាណាព្យាបាលនិងសិស្សានុសិស្សស្វែងយល់បន្ថែមអំពីថ្នាក់បរិញ្ញាបត្រនៅ LSi Business School តាមរយៈ link Telegram ឬ scan QR code
LSi Business School, where leaders learn.